Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Wisey Kidz. I hope you all fine. Today we will learn phonics alphabets. A apple, B ball, C cat, D dog, E elephant, F fish, G goat, H hen, I ice cream, J jug, K kite, L lion, M mango, N nest, O orange, P parrot, Q queen, R rose, S sheep, T tiger, U umbrella, V van, W watch, X Xmas tree, Y yak, Z zebra. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more educational videos.